Good afternoon. Myself Nitin Khandelwal, along with me, my colleague Rashmi Arora, who is Assistant Director at our Mumbai office, is handling statistics. We all welcome you for this webinar on exporting through e-commerce. Along with us is our Executive Director, Mr. Sabyasachi Ray, and other committee members and are also there. So this is the webinar which we are organizing for exclusively for the SEZ members. As we know that none of us are untouched by e-commerce in this pandemic times, which has emerged as a new world order because and has expected us to remain. So rather, it will create serious disruptions in the way business are being done in these years. So e-commerce has gained acceptance amongst buyers worldwide, and they are depending on e-commerce for their needs and wants both. The council has been doing many things for e-commerce, but before that, I think on that, what are the efforts the council is doing and what are the things which we are doing for e-commerce and other things. I will request our Executive Director Sabyasachi to give his opening remarks or welcome the participants. ED sir.
Okay, I need a sir.
थोड़ी देर बाद बात करो, 1 घंटे। हाँ, क्या बोलेंगे? I think ED sir is somewhere stuck up in somewhere, some urgent meeting. So let me continue. So the council has been doing many things for e-commerce, and we realized that this that e-commerce would be a next world order and new world order, and for that reason, so we have been identifying issues of issues that will be reducing the ease of doing business in e-commerce for our exporters. And this we created a whole lot of study together with the members and other stakeholders like couriers, post and all, to identify what are the issues which are hindering the people to adopt this new model of business. We started this exercise in 2019, and then we identified certain areas which we have escalated to the government and convinced the government to take action on it. There are certain things on which certain important facilitations have been granted by the government so far, and which includes like there is a clarification issued by board that courier mode exports of gems and jewelry is allowed, for which there was always a myth and there was an understanding that it is not allowed. That was cleared. Then there are certain other things like post also came up with certain things. So these are the things we'll be discussing about all those things. There are certain other things which are impending, like allowing re-import of returns of e-commerce, which is an important aspect of e-commerce, without which e-commerce model is not complete. So in these efforts, we have again entered in an MOU with the global marketplace, that is eBay, which is helping businesses to reach millions of global consumers spread in more than 200 countries. So eBay has offered certain advantages, certain benefits for council members, for which a detailed presentation will soon follow. Will be following. So I would now at this point would like to introduce Mr. Haneet Kaushal, who is category head of jewelry for eBay, and Mr. Saurabh Wadhwa along with his team. Saurabh Wadhwa is heading acquisitions for jewelry segment, and he will take you through the presentation. Then we will go for an open house for Q&A. You are welcome to put your questions on chat or Q&A section. So Q&A section is there, so you can put your questions on Q&A. We will address this after the presentation. So Haneet ji, Saurabh ji, all yours. Please take us through the presentation.
Thanks Nitin ji for setting up the context and giving us a time so that we can explain that e-commerce opportunity to the extreme members of GJPC and exclusively from the SCZ. So on behalf of eBay and welcome, I really wanted to welcome each and every member who have spared time to attend this presentation. Before starting, I trust and believe everyone is safe at their homes during working as well from this pandemic time. So on this note, I'm going to start the presentation. I would try, Saurabh, can you present the presentation? Share the presentation.
Undo that.
Yeah. So I would try to touch upon each and every aspect of e-commerce, how we can do export our jewelry through e-commerce. So this is not at a nascent stage. I think we have started exporting jewelry 10 years back through e-commerce model, although that was not that much foolproof at that moment, but currently having all those robust planning in place, and currently government also, assisting to increase the export is an added advantage at a current situation. So I'm starting my presentation, retail exports, opportunities for export. So just to give you a glimpse about the eBay overall. So currently in Q2, we were having around 159 million active buyers who had been purchasing from eBay. And if you talk about the markets or the countries from where these buyers belong to, 190 different markets we are talking about. And the third aspect is very much important, 51% international revenue. Once I am saying international revenue, it means koi bhi host site hai. For example, if you are selling on ebay.com, eBay is having their specific exclusive site for top countries. For example, for USA, it's ebay.com. For UK, it's ebay.co.uk. For Canada, it's ebay.ca. So in that way, so if you are selling on any of the host site, then we are getting 51%, that is an international revenue. It means apart from the country sellers who are available in that particular host site, there are 51% sellers who are selling on that in that country from outside. So that gives us a glimpse that what is an opportunity there for a seller who is sitting into India. And if we talk about the GMV of Q2 2021, that was standard at $22.1 billion. So that is only about Q2, and Q2 was also the same quarter when COVID wave 2 hit not only India but the world, and many of the regions, continentals and the countries at that moment were on hold. So during that also we got 159 million buyers from 190 different countries / markets with 51% international revenue, and we hit around $22.1 billion. Second slide, please. If I talk about the eBay velocity, that kahan par kaun si cheez bikti hai, what is the timeline, kitne time mein kaun si cheez purchase ho rahi hai, ek seller is able to sell, then just to give you a glimpse that within every 15 seconds, we were able to sell a bracelet in the US market, a loose gemstone in every 22 seconds. When we come to the second largest country, a consumption country of jewelry, then again, a body piercing jewelry is selling at every 13 seconds, and a fashion bracelet is selling at every 38 seconds. A wristwatch is selling in every 46 seconds, and a bracelet in Germany is selling at every 3 minutes. So this is a kind of the velocity we are having, starting from a very, starting from a low ASP product to the high ASP product, from a fashion jewelry to loose gemstones. We are having such kind of the buyer base that they are buying actively from the platform. Next slide, sir. So just to give you that what makes us different, why we say that we are different from anyone else, then first of all is our purpose. Our purpose is to empower people and create the economical opportunities, connecting buyer and sellers from all over the globe. So that is what our purpose is. If you are sitting in any corner of the world and you wanted to sell anything, you wanted to start your own business, so this is a kind of the economic opportunity we are giving to each and every person sitting across the globe and including India as well. And looking at the kind of the penetration, Indian internet penetration, how it is increasing day by day in India. So internet is also reaching to the T3, T4 cities, wherein most of our MSMEs are sitting and they don't have a direct contact with their seller buyers. So this is a kind of opportunity for them as well. If they are manufacturing anything, whether it is a small or big, they can directly sell it to the consumer sitting into far away from them outside of their country. So this is our purpose, that we wanted to scale a business, empower people and create economic opportunities. When we talk about scale, then we are the one of the largest and the most vibrant in the world of the discovering great values and the unique selection. Whatsoever is into your mind, just type it on eBay and you will find it. And this is the beauty of this platform, that from the hobby seller who is collecting something and wanted to sell, to the manufacturer who is a hardcore businessman, all are available on a single platform. Then the third important part is partnership. We always do the partnership with our seller. We never compete with our sellers. If you are selling something, if you are earning money, only then eBay will earn money. So this is a kind of the true partnership we are having with our sellers. Next slide, please. Now I am talking about eBay cross-border trade from India, how and when you can scale your business. First of all, most important thing, we are having the local BD support. So every platform is having their own nuances, is having their own backend, that how to operate particular platform. So we are giving you a local BD support who will help you to understand this platform on the initial phase for the first 3, 4, 5 months, till the time when you are not proficient about using that particular website. So we are having the local BD support who will help you to understand this overall website, that how to list the product, what to do when you sell your product, how to talk to the buyer, how to ask for the feedback, and how to increase your business. So local BD support is there from India. Now we are empowering MSMEs, SMBs, and the brands. So all three kind of people, or the manufacturer, or you can say the traders, you will find on eBay who are currently selling from India. There are different market research tools which are providing different insights about your product, that how you can scale your business, how you can increase your business on the different markets. So that also tell you that what kind of product is selling on which marketplace or in which country. So you can prioritize yourself accordingly. And in which season, what is the peak season of a particular thing, what is the drop season of a particular thing. So for example, if there is a peak season into USA, there might be a possibility that is a drop season into some other country like UK or Canada. So all these insights are there on the platform. Then we are having our own integrated eBay shipping and the payment solution. So you need not to worry about your payment, that how you will get the payment. And again, the most important part, shipping, so that will be taken care of. And we are enabling seamless selling experience. So in starting, there might be a possibility that you face it difficult to understand eBay marketplace and how to operate it, but that happens with every online thing. For example, even if you start using any of the new social media account, you will take some time to understand it. In the similar way, you may take some time to understand that how website work, but at the same time, we are here to ensure that we are providing you a seamless selling experience and you understand it quickly. Now, the most important part, now we know about overall eBay, that where we stand in the world. Now we know that what we are doing in India, how we are, scaling people from India. Now we are talking about the most important part, that is the benefit of selling on eBay, that what all benefits are there. The first benefit, as I already elaborated, that sitting at your home, sitting at your office, you have access to reach out to globally, to a global buyer who are going to utilize or consume your product. You are reaching out to them directly. Immediate payments, one of the important aspect in any of the business. So when it comes to the local business also, and to the international business. So whenever I usually talk to the international businessman or the exporter, so payment plays an important part. That what regulations are there, how we will be getting the payment, what all norms we need to follow. Each and everything will be taken care, and at the same time, you will get the immediate payments of all of your transactions. Low setup cost, I would rather say it no setup cost, but we only require some of your time and dedication in the initial months to understand the business and to understand the opportunity. So I must change this low setup cost to no setup cost. Seasonal installation. So one of the important thing, for example, it may or may not applicable to jewelry, but to some extent it is. For example, if there are peak seasons, then we are aware that these are the peak seasons, and we devote our time during drop seasons to make a inventory or to prepare ourselves for the peak season. But when you are selling your product globally, then the other opportunity is there. For example, if there is a drop season into USA, there must be a peak season somewhere else in the world. So in the similar way, we can do the isolation from the seasonality and high profitability. Why I'm saying high profitability? Because we are removing all the intermediaries between you and the consumer. So you are directly talking to your consumer and you're directly selling to them. So all the intermediaries, whether it is a importer, IOR, their charges and all those stuff, trader, all those stuff will be removed. So you are directly selling to them. So this is a win-win situation. Buyer will also get something at a lower price as compared to the nearest shop to them. And at the same time, seller who is sitting into India, they would also earn more as compared to what we are selling at our local shops. So whenever we talk about any e-commerce or online business, so there are three important pillars of every online business. Whether it is your own website, whether you are selling it through any social media, or you are selling it through any social media, or you are selling it through any of the marketplaces. So the first of all, the first important pillar is platform. That where do I sell my product? Whether I do make my own website. Second, do I sell it through the social media, which is currently very vibrant market and many of our youngsters are there, or do I use it a marketplace which is already established, having a trust into the buyer's mind, having a number of buyers who are actively buying from that platform. So for that, first pillar is platform. The second pillar, important pillar, is payment gateway. That okay, I know where to sell. Now, how would I get the payment? So payment is an important aspect of every business, and we have to take away and we have to go ahead with that. So the second important part is payment gateway, and the last but not the least is, now I know the platform, I know how do I get paid, how to ship my product out of India. So that is an important part, because we must be knowing that how to do the business in India, how to send the product. But when it comes to international, then every country has their own laws, and we have to follow the law of land. So that is an important thing. So for all the three things, for a platform, we are having eBay, which already is having a number of buyers who are actively buying from eBay with their trust and paying you in advance. Second, payment gateway. So you are getting payments from all over the world in any of the currency. There are more than 180 currencies in which you can receive the payment. And through Payoneer, all your payments will be converted into INR and will be shifted or credited into your bank account. And the third is eBay Global Shipping Program, which will help you to ship out your products throughout the world. Next slide, please, Saurabh. Sorry for the interruption. Vijayji, this meeting is already in the recording mode. So Nitinji will help you to get that recording. Thank you. So if I talk about the focus categories from India, then one of the largest category from India is jewelry and watches. Under jewelry and watches, we are concentrating upon the product like fine diamond jewelry, for which the ASP is between $100 to $500, followed by loose diamond and gemstones, $15 to $100, and then fine jewelry, which fine silver jewelry, which consists from $15 to $80. And the major markets or the countries to which we are exporting current for sellers, these are US, UK, D is Germany and Australia. After jewelry and watches, second highest category is home and beauty, then business and industrial, fashion and auto parts. So for most of our categories, our target audience and our target markets are same: US, UK, Germany, Australia. And there might be a possibility for one category, these countries would be different, but most of the categories, these countries are same. And this is very much obvious that why these countries are same, because these are the developed countries. And if we talk about the internet penetration, buying capacity, and the trust of using an online payment gateway is much higher into these countries as compared to any other country. Next slide, please. And if we talk about the emerging categories, that what are the emerging? These are the successful categories in which sellers are already selling. Then emerging categories, for example, in jewelry and watches, currently we are concentrating upon men's jewelry. So whenever it comes to fashion or jewelry, only I think gender biasness is there. We always think about women. But currently we have seen a very good growth. I will double click on this category in my further coming slides, that what kind of growth we have seen in last few years. So under jewelry and watches, we are looking at men's jewelry. And similar way, in home and beauty, we are looking at home appliances, fragrances, and the medical devices, which are currently into huge demand. Into business and industrial, we are looking at mobile phones, books, and the tractor parts. In fashion, we are looking at footwear, leather jackets, and in auto parts, we are looking at toys. So these are the few categories on which we are concentrating, and this is also to be included into our 2022 planning. Next slide, please. Sorry. So now I am giving you a glimpse that this is a double click of what in jewelry category we are selling. So in jewelry category, that is consists of fine jewelry and fashion jewelry plus loose diamond and gemstone. On the left hand side, you can see the kind of growth we have seen in last 1.5 years during the COVID time as well. Only Q2 2020 last year, this was a very critical quarter for us during pandemic hit India when everything was under lockdown. We have seen a very steep downfall into our business, that was 65% because of the known reasons. Then from Q3 onwards, when there was some leniency into lockdown and other services start operating, we are continuously seeing an uplift into our business quarter on quarter. Major category, if I talk about, then out of 100% business, 50% business we are getting from fine jewelry. Fine jewelry includes diamond jewelry, precious metal without stone jewelry. Precious metal without stone means plain sona or chandi jewelry, followed by loose diamond and gemstone, which consists of 30% of our overall business, and then fashion jewelry, which consists of 20%. In last 1.5 years, we have been working upon and targeting few of our most critical categories that include diamond, wherein we have seen 43% year-on-year growth. Diamond means diamond jewelry, including loose diamonds. Then, as I stated into my earlier slide, that we are also concentrating upon men's jewelry. So we have seen a 60% year-on-year growth after introducing this category from India. Then precious metal without stone jewelry, that includes plain silver and plain gold jewelry, different carats. We have seen 20% year-on-year growth. Last but not the least, loose gemstones. I think this is the category on which we have been targeting since long, but there was only one country which was giving us a competition, that was Thailand. This year we become #1 CBT country on the US side who is selling gemstones on US side. Next slide, please. Now, key product line under each of the category is under fine jewelry. We are having the key product line like diamond rings, bracelets, followed by necklace and pendants. And the highest penetration is of diamond rings, which is around 54%. Second, 45% of our diamond jewelry sales on USA market. And the price band is $100 to $1,000. Precious metal without stone is selling within 14 karat and 18 karat. Nowadays, we are also getting a demand of 12 karat jewelry, and in silver jewelry, mostly we are getting a demand of 970 scaling over there. And men's jewelry, I stated earlier, also is the fastest growing product line as of now. Under loose diamond and gemstones, most of the gemstones which we are selling are emerald, ruby, sapphire, opal, and loose diamonds. And nowadays, color diamonds are also in great demand. Color diamonds, and followed by even we are exploring an opportunities for lab created diamonds as well. So currently, India sellers rank #3 in sales for both diamond and the gemstone on the global platform. So #1 is USA because of the obvious reasons. Second, because of fashion jewelry, China is above us. But if you talk about only fine jewelry, diamond and gemstones, then we are at a #2 position. 50% of the sales which is happening on US site into lab created or rough cut loose diamond is happening from Indian sellers. And in fashion jewelry, Kundan, Polka, and Bollywood jewelries are on the top. Next slide. Now, many of the sellers usually ask us that what is a business opportunity? Diamond, okay, ये समझ आता है, हम भी उसके ऊपर discount दे सकते हैं. There is a great margin. But when it comes to precious metal without stone, very lesser margins are there. Only we are, working upon, labor charges and all those stuff. So currently there is an opportunity of global export, which is currently happening, that is 130 billion of precious metal without stone. And India exports around 13.8 billion. And our export rank is 3 in the world. And on the second table, you can see the kind of growth we have seen into this category from Q2 2020 till Q1 2021. So this is the kind of the opportunity we are having. And precious metal without stone. अगर मैं ebay.com की बात करूं कि ebay.com पे अगर हम 100 रुपए का माल बेचते हैं, then 15% sale was happening into precious metal without stone. और हमारा जो शेयर है इसमें, that is lesser than 1%. So this is a kind of the opportunity we are having into this market, and low making charges will allow the iron sellers to sell precious metal without stone jewelry also at a very competitive pricing on US and UK. And our making charges as compared to US and UK, there is a huge difference. Core categories, necklace and pendants are number 1, bracelets, rings, and then earrings. Focus price band. Most of the precious metal without stone also we are selling in the range of $100 to $500. आप देख सकते हैं 41% of our business is coming from this price band. And highest gold purity we are selling 14 karat, 14K, followed by 18K and then 10K. So unlike in India, we are having more penetration of 20 or 22 karat of gold. But in foreign countries, we are seeing more demand coming from 14 karat gold followed by 18 karat. Next slide. Now coming to one of the most demanded category, diamond. Most of the demanded category also, and at the same time most of the profitable category from not only from India but worldwide. So IN CBT, we can see the year-on-year growth of ours, how it has been increased into the different categories: rings, bracelets, necklace and pendants, earrings, and then loose diamonds. In each of the product line, we have seen a very massive growth year on year. And if I talk about that, what is the market share of different price bands, then between $100 to $1,000, our share is of 41%. So that is a key metrics to look at. I think most of our product lies within that particular price band. And key growth drivers, again, not only USA, we are currently targeting on Germany, UK, Australia, and the Fritz country. And we are also increasing our penetration. हमारा जो प्राइस बैंड है जिसके ऊपर हम सबसे ज्यादा अभी काम कर रहे हैं, that is from $250 to $1,000, and that too certified jewelry. That is the most important part currently on which we are working, और यही हमारा prime focus है for 2022 as well. And we have seen double-digit growth, means more than 10% growth in necklace, pendants, bracelets, and loose diamond on the geo side, apart from USA. क्योंकि हम ये नहीं है कि हम fully concentrated on USA, but apart from USA, UK, Germany, we have seen a good demand from them as well. And if we talk about focus areas, which were into 2021, was 100% certified jewelry, and we are continuing same. हम 2022 में भी certified jewelry पे बहुत ज़्यादा concentrate करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि जब we are dealing into the high ASP product, then a person who is sitting into USA या UK में बैठा है या Canada में बैठा है, they can't touch and have a feel of the product. I think trust plays an important role over there, and to build that trust, we are liable to provide them certified jewelry which is in higher ASP. And we are also focusing on improving the transparency and the visual experience by providing them a trackable service with a good quality images, so that a buyer who is buying the product, whether for him or herself or wanted to gift it to someone, we don't want to be into a position wherein they don't like that product. So that is the most important part, that our product pictures are very good, our shipping is trackable and fast, and we are accepting the returns, which is a basic rule of all the e-commerce industry. And then we will continue to expand ourselves on the geo sites, which are apart from USA. So just to give you a glimpse of what is eBay registration. So eBay registration process is very simple. You have to submit your contact information and the business information. You will create an account. You will verify your account and your Payoneer account, attach it and start selling. These are the simple 6 steps, and all these 6 steps exclusively are very simple. IC code, GSTN is mandate for this program. Now, next couple of minutes, I really wanted to emphasize upon that what kind of exclusive benefits we are giving only to our GJPC members. First of all, we on the regular basis very frequently run our seller incentive program, wherein we incentivize our sellers on the different parameters that include highest sales, then highest buyer satisfaction, such kind of things. Third, highest buyer satisfaction along with maintaining the seller health. For example, what is your feedback score? Aapka kaun si seller standing hai? So all these programs we usually run time to time. So all the GJPC members would be the part of these programs. Get a free listing on USA, UK and AU site exclusively for the 6 months. For the first 6 months, you will get free listings on all the 3 sites. Otherwise, you will be getting only 50 free listings every month. And after free listings, you have to pay around 0.35 cent per listing if you wanted to do the business on eBay, which is roughly around 25 rupees. Third, this is the most important part, that all the GJPC sellers will get a store for 3 months. Under 3 months store, what all things you are getting? You are getting 500 free listings. Then there are promotional features, which I will explain into the further slide, that why that store is important for a seller who is coming on site or selling with eBay. Then the product research tool, which I touched upon into the starting, uska double click, such kind of the tools we are providing, and then discounted eBay fees along with seller specific URL. जैसे आपकी website होती है, you will get a URL, for example, ebay.com/our company name, which you can promote on your visiting cards or on the social media, or any of your foreign buyer who are coming to you in the offline industry. You can give that card to them in future if you wanted to purchase from us with the trust of eBay. So this is a website you can click upon. Otherwise, this basic store, it'll cost us around $27.95 per month, which is exclusively free only to the GJPC members. Now, why we are giving it free? It's not like that we don't want to earn money, but I think in the initial stage, every seller, whenever you are starting any business, you are going to any market, if you are getting some glimpse of that market, कि ये market कैसे चलती है, कैसे इसके ऊपर धंधा हो रहा है, whether I will be able to make my money or not, it's important that you get some time. So from all the data, I think you till now you must have that kind of confidence level कि yes, if the buyers are buying, then there must be something on the site. But still, we are giving you a kind of 3 months to understand the business, to see how you are earning money from this platform, and accordingly extend your store subscription. Otherwise, after 3 months, you can end the store subscription. So few of the other benefits like promotions and the marketing tools which we are giving to the GJPC members. Account management. So currently we are not in a position to give account management and BD support to all the sellers who wanted to sell on eBay. So there are the third-party agencies or sellers have to learn each and everything on their own while going to the site. But we are giving an exclusive account management support for every GJPC member for the first 6 months to support them in grow their business. eBay seller protection in case there is some mistake which happened and which violates eBay's policies. So considering that you are the GJPC members, so we will be supporting you to get the resolution over there. Exclusive proportional landing page, that is an most important thing in GJPC and the eBay agreement, that all the GJPC members, their listings will be on one dedicated additional page. So that page would be separate from eBay, but that would be a sub part of ebay.com domain. So we will be promoting that page also on the different markets. So that would also help you to get new buyers on your website directly. And then store designing and cataloging, we will help you to design your store in such a way that a buyer who is looking to buy a product which is into high ASP should not feel skeptical. For example, अगर हम एक मॉल में जाते हैं, एक मॉल में जाके हम देखते हैं कि वहाँ बहुत दुकानें हैं और वहाँ पर एक छोटा सा खोखा भी है, and if I wanted to buy something good at an expensive one, then I will prefer to go to the showroom. तो ऑफलाइन मार्केट की तरह ये भी ऑनलाइन मार्केट का एक तरह का शोरूम है कि हम अपने स्टोर को कैसे डिजाइन करें ताकि जो लोग नए आ रहे हैं, जिनको हमारे बारे में नहीं पता, सिटिंग इनटू यूएसए एंड कनाडा, दे कैन आल्सो ट्रस्ट अस. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Now, when I talk about eBay store benefits, so the first of all, the monetary benefit which we are getting, जो कि है $28 per month. Now you are already getting 1000 free listing. It means आप अपने स्टोर के ऊपर 1000 डिफरेंट डिजाइन, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट लाइंस फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं. थर्ड इज यू विल गेट अ इंसर्शन फी. अगर 1000 से ज्यादा भी आप करना चाहते हैं तो पहले जो इंसर्शन फी आपको 0.35 सेंट पड़ रही थी वो अभी आपको पड़ेगी सिर्फ 0.10 सेंट. अगर आप कहीं पर जा रहे हैं, आप अपने स्टोर को वेकेशन मोड पे डालना चाहते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी 1000 लिस्टिंग लाइव है बट आपने कोई फंक्शन अटेंड करने जा रहा है या फिर आपका एम्प्लॉइज छुट्टी पे हैं, सो आपको एक वेकेशन चाहिए कि इस एक हफ्ते में कोई मेरे से ना खरीदे, और अगर कोई खरीद रहा है उसको पता हो कि उसका प्रोडक्ट एक हफ्ते के बाद शिप होगा, सो दैट सर्विस विल बी देयर. यू कैन ऐड डिफरेंट प्रमोशंस. फॉर एग्जांपल आजकल जैसे दिवाली के टाइम पे हमारी प्रमोशंस चलती हैं या अभी फेस्टिवल सीजन है यूएसए में, so there are different promotions are going on. If this product price was 500, then cutting it down, there is a 20% discount and now you will get it at only $400. So such kind of the promotional activities you can start. You will get a final value fee discount as well. Then there is a separate web address that will help you to locate and promote your store. Next slide please. So I'm just coming to that web address. कैसा ये दिखता है? So you can see this is a kind of the store design which is having, and that is an exclusive store of one seller. So if you look on the top, जो आप web address देखोगे वो है ebaystores.com.au, means ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया के ऊपर स्टोर है / आपकी कंपनी का नाम. एंड आप ऐसे अपना पूरा सेल दिखा सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर वैलेंटाइन सेल लिखा हुआ है. We can capture the different festival seasons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, fastest shipping, whatsoever you are providing, we can highlight all those products over here. Next slide, please. Now the shipping service which I was talking about, there are EGC तो वहां पर है ही है. Then you can use India Post service as well. Then there are private logistics also who are helping us to ship our high ASP products from India to the buyers, and seller can use their own shipping solution as well for shipping their product directly to the buyer. So on this note, thank you. I just wanted to end up my presentation along with one video. Saurabh, if you can play that video, pause that. Over to you, Nitin ji.
Thank you.
By the time Ani ji, Saurabh ji is playing the video, I would request that after the video, if you can show the microsite which we have created for council members.
Sure, sure. Volume is not coming, Saurabh.
Can you hear it now?
No, Saurabh.
मेरी मदर मेरे हाथ छोड़ के कहती थी कि विकास तू ये बिजनेस का फितूर दिमाग से निकालने और कहीं
Sure, course.
stop
You
कर.
can play it from starting. It,
मेरा नाम
voice was
विकास
coming.
पारिक है
Sure, course.
और मैं
Can you hear it now?
2003 तक मेरे 3 बिजनेसेस फ्लॉप हो चुके थे.
Is it clear now?
मेरे घर वाले परेशान थे, वो सोचते थे मैं कभी सक्सेस नहीं होऊंगा. मेरी मदर मेरे हाथ छोड़ के कहती थी कि विकास तू ये बिजनेस का फितूर दिमाग से निकालने और कहीं जॉब कर. मेरा नाम विकास पारिक है और मैं एक से जब मैंने एक छोटा सा कोरोगेटेड बॉक्स प्लांट लगाया था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहा. उसके बाद में मैं गोवा चला गया और मैंने वहां पे एक गारमेंट का छोटा सा बिजनेस किया था, जो एक होलसेल एंड रिटेल बिजनेस था, वो भी सक्सेस नहीं रहा। उसके बाद में मैं जयपुर आ गया और आके फिर वापस से मैंने जीरो से स्टार्ट किया, 2 फेल्ड बिजनेस और एक जॉब ट्राई के बाद में मैं सोचा एक ट्राई और देता हूं।
I think Saurabh, we are losing the voice in between. It would be better अगर आप ये लिंक
अपने
बस
पड़ोसी से 50,000 रुपए लोन लेके ज्वेलरी का
Shall I share the link with you?
yeah over the chat with everyone.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll just do that.
बिजनेस शुरू किया।
Okay, apart from this, I am just sharing my screen to show you about that what this mini site is looking like.
So while Haniji is sharing his screen, I would like to tell you that Council and eBay has created a microsite for council members. So all the council members who will be enrolling on eBay will get a place in this website, in this microsite. So if all the listings which you are seeing, those are the listings of council members. And this website will be promoted across all the buying countries where eBay is present through SEOs, and also maybe Haniji will be able to tell us more about on this. Haniji.
Yeah,
Over to you.
so the listings over there on this website, for example, you can see currently 1,296 listings are there. These listings are all only from the GJPC members. And we are going to promote this page on the various platforms that include US, UK during festival seasons and the upcoming festival seasons. So we are planning to do such kind of SEOs over there so that we can grab the buyers directly on this website. Why this separate page is beneficial for us? For example, अगर आप Google पे direct ebay.com पे जा रहे हैं, अगर आप सिर्फ fine jewelry में देखेंगे, then there would be millions of the listing. It means वहां पर competition बहुत ज्यादा है. At the same time, when it comes to only the Indian handcrafted jewelry, which we are talking about, and that is what this page is stating, that crafted in India for the world, certified authentic gemstones and the jewelry. And on the right hand side, you can see GJPC, that is again, building a trust into the buyer's mind that, okay, they are buying from a very trusted member from India. So now they can buy a product only from the GJPC members, and they can check what kind of stores they are having and what all products they are offering. And not only this, even GJPC and the eBay, on our own social media pages also, we are going to promote this page. I think this is the bare minimum we can do as of now. And later in the stage, in the 2022 planning, we are having much bigger plans that how we wanted to promote this page to the worldwide. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you, Haniji, for showing this page, and hopefully the sellers are getting good response through eBay. Now I would like to start the Q&A session. So Saurabh, would you like to take that Q&A session? Maybe there are certain questions regarding logistics which are coming up in Q&A.
Sure, Nitinji, I'll just speak out the questions. Start from the. So we have a first question. From Abhishek Padoria. Can you explain the shipping again?
Sir, shipping is having two parts. One is the fashion jewelry shipping and the fine jewelry shipping. Fashion jewelry shipping comparatively is very easy. You can pick up any of the courier partner, even on the EGS also, so you can sell it out. For the fine jewelry shipping, there is a particular process which we need to follow. For example, there are different companies like BVC and FedEx. They are also shipping the product into this thing, into fine jewelry. And at the same time, when it comes to the silver jewelry and loose gemstones, there are different courier partners who have started doing it without any appraisal process and all those stuff. But for fine jewelry, we have to get the product appraised, and then we can ship it out through India Post also and through the private courier partners as well.
Second, again, the question, the shipping issue we discussed, we are facing difficulty in shipping from Kolkata, from Ankit Kumar.
I think Nitinji can put more light from Kolkata. I think there are some conversations are also going on that it is easy to ship a product where the FPOs are available, but even our sellers are facing some of the problem when they are at a location where FPO is not available. So they usually
audible?
route it through the domestic partner.
Hey, hi. Am I audible? Can I speak?
Yes, Ankitji, please continue.
Yes, Ankit.
Continue.
Hello, Hanit. Hello, everybody. So we have been on eBay for quite some time, and we started facing. We didn't know that shipping would be so much difficult when we got our first order, and then I tried to ship tried FedEx, tried DHL. Everybody rejected, saying that we don't carry precious metal. Once they hear precious metal, they don't want to carry from Calcutta. This is what I'm saying from Calcutta. I went to Indian Foreign Post Office for a 10,000 rupees approx ring. They are asking too much documents. They're asking valuation certificate. They're asking purity certificate. They are asking go do a third party insurance apart from, and there are too many documents involved for 10,000. And we do our domestic courier through, we have a tie-up with Sequel, but their services to international market is very high. We cannot send a 10,000 gold jewelry. You know, it will be very costly when we choose Sequel or BBC Logistics. So that's the whole issue. Means there should be some way, some economical way where we should, means there should be some way eBay should help us, because there is no point listing our product if we are not able to, ship things on time. That's how it is for me, at least. I'm from Dazzling Diamond Hub.
Sir, can I add a point over it?
Yes,
Yeah.
Ankit.
Yeah, actually, I also visited Foreign India Post Office, Calcutta, and I think they have some inauguration issue or some development over there for last 3 months. So most of the time it is found that they have not proper setup, like Mr. Ankit Kumar, am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, so that's why I am hello.
सबसे ज्यादा है एंटीक ज्वेलरीज एंटीक
No.
तो इन्होंने इनके एक सेपरेट पेज बनवाया उस पे
Nitinji, can you mute everyone so that
Make
you
in
can
India
speak?
for the
Nitinji,
world.
can you mute Ramchandra?
Yes, yes.
जिसके वो पेज पे जाएंगे तो मेड इन इंडिया फॉर द वर्ल्ड
Ramchandji,
General
please आप
Jewelry
mute कर लेंगे?
Hello.
Yes.
So actually, Foreign India Post officials said to me that they don't issue any insurance during the transit, and there's some tracking issue of USPS in the USA. There are a lot of problems because if it is lost or damaged, the recovery could be processed after 1 month or more than 2 months. Because if it is done, then we can lose the customer. So my question is Foreign India Post Office eligible to pick up from Calcutta and deliver the our jewelry to overseas market? Because we have already set up a meeting at our head office in Calcutta. They declared a lot of things, but I think they don't have proper setup, and they don't have any operational strong staff to coordinate all the things. It may be eBay has a lot of setup, but I think if we do shipment through Foreign India Post Office, it cannot be successful. That's my concern, because I personally visited with my team and they have set up a meeting with my head office. And the Sequel and BBC, I think they can ship from Calcutta for domestically. And they can file the shipping bill from Jaipur or Mumbai for the export issue. So for
Thanks.
government,
Abhijit, we understood your point regarding the logistics.
Yes,
And regarding Calcutta, yes, what Mr. Ankit has also mentioned, that Calcutta, there is an issue that they are asking for valuation certificate and purity certificate. We have already taken up at the highest level in Calcutta Commissionerate. We will soon get a certain resolution. by that time, also there is a movement in courier clearances. So there are certain couriers who will be taking goods from Delhi port by filing of courier shipping bills for northern and eastern side of the country. So Calcutta and all, Odisha and all those people who are there, they can get their goods shipped through Delhi. So couriers can come take the goods to Delhi port and then get it cleared. So that will also soon be set up. So what we are saying that there are certain logistical challenge. Yes, they are right now they are available right now in the system, but those logistics challenges are soon be resolved. So by that time, you should be ready, because it will not be like that the day one when you are registering for eBay, you will get business. You have to just put your give your time. Maybe in 1 month's time, you will get your first order, or maybe in 10 days you will get some order. So yes, initially you will have certain difficulties, but that will be resolved maybe
Sir,
in the next
sir, I want to
year
add a
start. You
point.
will not have.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
Ravi.
sir. We have already ordered for Australia, Sydney, 1 lakh valuation, 1,72,000. But I don't think that Foreign India Post Office can do, because if we are saying the valuation certificate and the purity certificate, if the custom appraiser, I also visit the custom appraiser and the superintendent over there. I personally asked them that is there any NOC? So they will say that hello.
Yes, we are hearing you.
They will say that they have no objection, but we have to carry portable keratometer. So I am saying that they have no proper setup. Even
infrastructure is not available. You are trying to say that.
Yes, I also approached customs AC, but when he heard about the Foreign India Post Office, she simply rejected. I'm not saying that he is not interested, but most of the people, they do trust the setup and the logistic service of post office. That's my final output. Last 1 month, I personally visited lots of time over there and spent time. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay, I also want to add one more thing, Nitinji. You are telling us that, you start the store. We start the store, but if we cannot ship, that is even worse than getting an order and not shipping. I mean, I get the point that it will take a month or 2 months to get the first order. But if the system is not in place to fulfill that order, there is no point doing that.
No,
I mean,
Abhishek,
first the
I'm not
system
saying that. I am saying they see.
Sir, more than 15 days, if it is gone, then we might lose the customer as per some customer survey.
Avijit ji, we have understood your point, and Abhishek ji, I am not saying that you will register.
Because
see,
already
registering
Foreign India
also.
Post Office declared
Avijit ji,
that.
can we have understood your point. Now we can continue, I believe, because we have understood your point and we will address that. So what I wanted to say, for listing, you have to have some photographs in place. That will also take some time. Well, you have to get your Payoneer account created. You have to register your everything on the eBay. So there is a process which will take certain time, and in that particular time, you will get certain things. Kolkata, yes, foreign post office is an issue, but other places like Jaipur, there is a service. If you take Bombay, there is a good service from SEEPS. DHL is picking up. DVC is doing the service of small shipments from SEEPS. So all these things are happening. There are certain challenges at some of the locations. There are certain other challenges at some different locations, but everything is escalated to the government and at the advanced stages of resolution.
And I also personally visited Jogajag Bhavan, Calcutta. You know it very well, Postmaster General IPS Anil Kumar. So he said me during the meeting that he will support it 1000%. But the thing is, when FIPO foreign post official said me that they can ship this product for 30 days. So if
okay, Abhijit, just 1 minute. I understand what is your point.
Yes,
I will
sir.
tell you something. Are you a member of the council?
No, I am not the member of the.
So that is what I will tell you, that what you do, you become a member of the council or whatever you become or not, you contact our Eastern Regional Office in Kolkata. Okay.
Okay.
So based on that, we will service you. Don't worry. So that servicing will be happening as a member of the council. So that you go there. There is Mr. Kaushik Ghosh. I do not know whether he is in the line or not. Eastern region से कोई line में है?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So in case
already
you guide him to, okay, we'll guide you to Kaushik. Let as a council see what is the problem, and then we'll come back to you.
Okay, sir.
I have one more query for the eBay team. There are a lot of designs which are being copied on eBay. How can we protect our designs on eBay? Because that's a big issue. I sell online and I sell fine jewelry online, and eBay has become a big problem in terms of copying design. How do we safeguard that?
Okay, Abhishek, in term of the copying the product or copying the design, so eBay follow a very strong policy of counterfeiting and the Vero. Vero is verified eBay originals honor. So these are the two policies which has been following up in eBay from last few years after identifying this problem. If there is any design of yours which is your trademark or you are having the copyright of same, if somebody else is copying that design, so there is a direct email ID on which you can send out the mail and the direct action will be taken.
Let me clarify the question. We cannot, copyright our designs or trademark our designs in jewelry, but we use original photographs. We use our photographs. The sellers just copy our photographs left, right, and center, and then sell the same product under silver and CZ. So we eventually lose out on our customers who think either we are fake or they are fake. How do we solve this problem then?
See, this is an internal problem and very open question. For example, if I type diamond ring on Google, there are millions of photographs over there. So I can't identify which product is of which seller. And if you go on Google Photos and right click on that, you will get all the copyright details and those stuff. So even if your product is not copyright and trademark, but it is exclusively yours and you believe somebody else is copying your product and selling the similar kind of the product, you can write a mail to your account manager, or you can directly write a mail to me as well. And if we found that they are doing such kind of activities, we will certainly take a very strict action. And in last few years, we have taken many such actions. And that is why I think Hardeep's question was also in this regard, when I think that was Hardeep's question only, when they asked why Surat sellers can't list on eBay. So that was also such kind of action we have taken, not only on the seller, but for some regions as well. So we are having a very strict policy for the sellers who are operating from Surat, and very much verified sellers or GJPC approved sellers are only allowed to work on eBay.
Okay, can anybody hear me? Actually, I have a question regarding this. I just want to know, we are starting to do business online and we are just into decision making phase, whether we should sell it on eBay or whether we should sell it on Amazon. So can you provide me a comparative idea how eBay is better to Amazon?
See, as a company, as a team member of eBay, I would always suggest and urge you to list your product on all the platforms which are available. I'm not asking you to stop to list on Amazon. You should list on Amazon also. You should list on the other available markets as well and on eBay as well. So this is a kind of the similar question. There are 3 malls in my city. Where should I set up a where should I set up a shop? In a malls, it's not easy to set up a shop in each mall. Why? Because that is very much expensive. But once you are doing a business online, there is no money you have to spend to set up your shop, at least not on eBay. So that is one thing we will suggest you to go on all the platforms which are available. That is one. Secondly, if you talk about the competitive analysis, so the first and the important thing which I said in the starting of the meeting, in the starting of my presentation, that we make partnership with my sellers. We never compete them. That is one. We are the pure marketplace. We never compete you. We are not into the market to compete you or to sell the similar product as you are selling. Second, we never control your prices. I can't tell you कि आप ये वाला product इतने price पे लगा सकते हो, इसका minimum price ये है, maximum price ये है. That is upon you. That if you wanted to have a business, you will have that competitiveness into your pricing, but we never control pricing.
No, but
And the third thing is
competitiveness of the pricing जो आप बोल रहे हो सर, वो तो कोई भी marketplace में हम लोग लगा सकते हैं, but that depends कि वो platform के ऊपर अगर बाकी के जो sellers हैं उन लोगों ने अपना price क्या set किया है.
Yes, that's what I am saying, Naviji. I think you are the better judge of your product. And when it comes to jewelry, which is currently a non-MRP product, अगर आप कल iPhone 10 बेचने जाओगे, then you know कि भैया ये iPhone 10 इतने का बिक रहा है मार्केट प्लेस पे, मुझे ये रेट लगाना है. बट अगर आप 18 कैरेट गोल्ड रिंग along with डायमंड बेचने जा रहे हो, तो that ring rate would vary from one seller to another, one shop to another. So that is upon you, that is your product, that you are the better judge of your product.
Okay, I have second question and this will be my last question.
Yes.
बस मुझे ये पूछना है कि as per the analysis, अगर मैं करूँ कि periodically, if you take a certain amount of time, like 6 months or 1 year or 10 year, whatever you say, अगर एक certain amount of time देते हैं, तो I am dealing into fine jewelry business. Okay, so fine jewelry business का percentage eBay में कितना % होता है yearly या quarterly basis पे, और बाकी के platform से कितना % होता है? अगर मैं आपको एक pie chart बनाना हो, तो आप इसको कैसे represent करोगे?
Sir, my overall, sorry to say that I can't have that stats. I can't share that stats because we can share the overall business. What is our overall business, which I shared? That was for Q2, that was $22.1 billion. But I can certainly tell you, I have also shown you the velocity, that what kind of jewelry we are selling, and it's a very, very good proportionate. But I can't tell you about eBay then how I will be able to tell for the other countries.
If I segregate ये जैसे कि इंडिया में जो जितने भी ज्वेलरी सेलर्स है, उन लोगों का अगर आप देखोगे, तो मैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड की नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, सिर्फ इंडिया की बोल रहा हूँ, या फिर एक रीजन की बोल रहा हूँ. आप एक रीजन की भी आप देखोगे तो कैसे सेग्रीगेट करोगे? मैं बस ये जानना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज वी आर इनटू
that is one matrix I think available already on the net. So in India, more than 40% business is coming from jewelry.
Okay, so you are saying more
Hello,
than
sir.
40%. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I
So
have a
jewelry is our
question
largest
here.
category.
Am
Yes,
I
Prerna.
audible?
Yes, Prerna.
Yeah. Actually, sir, we are into eBay from last year. We are selling through eBay from last year. But right now, as you told us, the benefits of being a JGPC member. So now, how can we avail these benefits? Like,
Prerna, your account is active on eBay.
yeah.
Then too, you are already selling. Na? You really require those benefits. I think those benefits are to
No,
build a
actually, we
trust
don't have a
into a
store
member.
subscription right now.
Okay. I think you can talk to Nitin ji and he can help it out.
So, means how can I contact him?
Nitin ji, आपको mail ID दे देंगे. Or you can contact to your
You can
AM.
contact your concerned council office.
Yes.
And
They will help you.
They will help you out.
Who will help me out?
You are a council member, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so contact your regional office of the council and they will help you.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, similar kind of question I'm also having. I'm listed on eBay, but I'm not active member, and I want to avail JJPC benefits to restart my store. So will I be able to get those benefits?
Parag ji, have you ever sold any item on eBay in past? Or
Yes.
you are just a member?
Yes, we have sold, and we are based inside the seams.
Okay, you are from SEEPs only, na? Don't
Right.
worry, the similar answer what Nitin ji have just said.
Parag ji,
Yeah,
please
hello, sir.
connect.
Yes.
Hello. Haniji, hello.
Hanji
Yeah,
Gagan ji.
Gagan ji, please.
Haniji, if you remember, I was selling loose stones on eBay. My ID was bid for desire.
अरे yes, Gagan sir, नमस्कार.
क्या हाल है sir?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया भाई.
Thank God, somebody from old times. Otherwise, everybody has left.
Yes, most of them.
Haniji, any changes in the feedback policy and I mean like the holding time for payments, like कितने दिन तक एक customer कितने दिन तक अभी भी case open कर सकता है हमारे against?
Again, that is item delivery plus 30 days.
And in PayPal, वो तो eBay में होगा
No,
ना?
so
PayPal में
PayPal currently eBay brought its own payment gateway. So now there is nothing like PayPal.
No, so earlier it was PayPal was 180 days. In 180 days, one could open an account.
180 days, sir, that is, yeah. तो गगन जी वो ना eBay के थ्रू ओपन नहीं करते थे, वो अपने बैंक में जाके चार्ज बैक करते हैं. So that is
वो PayPal चार्ज बैक नहीं करते थे सर, वो PayPal पे खोलते थे. चार्ज बैक तो जब तभी करते थे जब क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट होती थी.
Yes. तो गगन जी वो अब हो नहीं पाएगा क्योंकि PayPal we are not getting payment accepted through PayPal. So eBay has introduced their own payment gateway.
अच्छा पेमेंट गेटवे पे सर आप कितने दिन अलाउ कर रहे हो कस्टमर को केस खोलने के लिए?
Sir, 30 days after delivery of the product. For example, 30th को 25th को delivery हो गई तो next 30 days.
Next 25th तक.
Yes.
और क्या कमीशन चार्ज हो रही है सर? अब कन्वर्जन रेट कैसे और कमीशन कितनी चार्ज करो? सिर्फ पेमेंट पे?
सिर्फ पेमेंट ट्रांसफर पे
जी.
पेमेंट ट्रांसफर पे 2% सर पेनियर लेते हैं.
पेमेंट ट्रांसफर पे 2% और रेट डिफरेंस कितना है सर?
सर वो पेनियर डिसाइड करता है. So that is their own, पर 1-2 रुपए का फर्क रहता है. Whatsoever rate is there, dollar rate is currently going on. इससे ज्यादा नहीं.
सर अगर 2 रुपए का फर्क हो गया तो it's approximately what?
गगन जी मैं आपको $76 पे प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं लिस्ट कराऊंगा ना, मैं 74 पे कराऊंगा.
सर फिर आप 74 रुपए तो कमीशन काट लेना सर.
ज्यादा सवाल मत पूछो. Just to inform, नितिन जी हमारे बहुत पुराने सेलर्स हैं and once upon a time one of our largest sellers.
I was one of the largest sir, but लेकिन आप लोगों ने कोई हेल्प तो की नहीं कि क्या करें, अब वो बंद ही करना पड़ गया अकाउंट. तो अब हेल्प करो तो ताकि दोबारा उसी स्टैंडर्ड पे काम करें सर.
सौरभ बैठा है कॉल पे. I will call you after this.
So if
you can contact me directly after this.
Okay.
Right sir, right.
And you are a council member?
Yes sir, I'm a council member.
From Bombay?
Sir, from Delhi.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Right. So Saurabh ji will help you. And before going to next question, I would like to announce in the chat there is a link which is coming up. We would be those who are interested, they can fill it up, give their feedback, so that we can reach out to them. Next, if there is any question.
अच्छा मैं अंकित एक और मेरा सवाल है. One of my client from Australia we are listed on ebay.com. Now one of our client from Australia wants to purchase one item and he's मैं अपने account manager है उनसे भी बात करा, लेकिन while payment I think there is some issue. He is getting that no debit card, credit card, etc. He has tried all credit card. He has Australian credit card, Indian cards and all those things, but it's not working. So इस type के issues के लिए किसके पास मतलब, because if we don't tackle these issues frequently soon, then we lose customers also. So मैंने उनके बोलने पे ऑस्ट्रेलियन साइट पे ebay.com AU पे लिस्टिंग करा अपना वो, and we tried with that, but that also is not passing through. Means it's failing while he is doing payment.
Sir, that might be one of the issue because there are million of transactions which are happening every hour. So ऐसा कुछ किसी ने रिपोर्ट नहीं किया, but if you are facing certain issues with a particular buyer, then please inform to your AM to send me a mail and I will escalate it.
ठीक है sir, I'll send.
Yeah, please. Sure.
Because he has tried multiple times, but he is not getting success.
Done.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Hanif, I have a question here. We're based out of Europe. Our major operations are in the European market, and you mentioned about Germany and UK market as one of the key markets for eBay. I was wondering if we were shipping directly from India, how would the import duties and the VAT clearances happen? Because this would be a B2C rather than a B2B operation. So would that be handled by the couriers, or how would that take place?
No. So for both the countries, there is a bare minimum value. For example, for UK, if I'm not wrong, that is 150 euros and pounds, Great Britain pound. And for Germany, it's 135 euros up to this item. So eBay is collecting VAT on your behalf and will be submitting it to the government. So that is as per the policy given by UK and the Germany government. And for anything over and above, all the logistic partners will be liable to collect that money from the buyer.
So that's collected by the logistic partners and paid to the government, and
yes,
we get paid the net.
Yes, and even if your item value is lesser than 150 pounds, then also in invoice you will see a breakup that your value of the item was 100 pounds for that matter, and 20% is the VAT.
Okay, I understand. And what about in such cases for returns, when the customer, like you said, we have to be open with returns and everything? माल वापस जब आता है या किसी ने रिटर्न किया तो वो कैसे हैंडल होता है?
सर वहां पर
Again,
सिर्फ एक ही
eBay
प्रॉब्लम
will
होती
handle
है.
the logistics of that.
Yeah, so वहां पर सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम होती है. Sometimes the Indian custom treat it as an import,
Yes.
and that is nowadays that issue is not at a places like Delhi, Jaipur, and Mumbai, because the custom clearly knows that this was a return, because we can show them the invoice. That this is our invoice. You can see this product has gone, and all the details are there. So they usually understand. But this is a kind of challenge for the other cities from where you are shipping, but not a challenge for the big cities nowadays.
So the shipments have to go individually to individual buyers, right? It cannot go in a bulk form.
No.
Okay, so it has to be one-to-one, and the orders that would be written also will be one-to-one basis. So uska bhi courier ka kharcha lagega, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thanks for that.
Just want to add on the returns front. Customs is clearly not right now, ready to accept it as return on the face of it. They do pose challenges across Delhi. Also, I've faced it. I've paid 40% duty sometimes also in one of the products. So because they're saying that the postal bill of exports is not in the system, so we cannot treat it as return of export. So that's a feedback if the council takes up with the government
Abhishek ji,
authorities.
it is
that
already
this
taken up.
needs to.
Yeah, Abhishek ji, please continue. Abhishek ji, that is already taken up, and we'll get that.
Thank you, sir. I just wanted to call it out.
Thank
that
you.
The customs has not.
Yeah, Mehta ji. So are we left with some other questions, or we can conclude the session?
I think if Hardeep is having any question, he has raised.
Yeah, Hardeep, please.
Yeah, I am from Surat. Before 3 years, I applied for the eBay account, but that time Seller Hub, I think it's eBay partner, Seller Hub from Surat. They denied the application because some Surat region not allowed to sell jewelry on eBay.
There are few restrictions from a certain regions. I won't say whole of the Surat region, but yeah, there are few restrictions just to make sure that we are getting the right sellers at the right place for the fair marketplace. But if you are council members, you can reach out, and there won't be any issues.
Okay. And one more question. eBay have like Amazon FBA like warehouse or not?
No, we are a pure marketplace. We don't have our own managed warehouse and a service like Prime, but at the same time, we have a third party who can help you to set up your warehouse over there with even a small number of shipments like 100 products or 200 products. And that would be free for the first 3 months.
As per this webinar, BBC and FedEx too much charges, like $250 consignment value, and the charge is $150 and $180. So it's too much for the small amount. So
no, don't worry. So if you have to ship your product from Delhi, Jaipur, and Mumbai, then we are all set up. The team is there who help you out. And if you are at somewhere else, for example, like Ankit ji have highlighted or Avijit ji have highlighted about Kolkata, then we can take it.
I think Hardeep ji, you are from Surat. So in Surat also very recently, in International Business Center of Post, which is equivalent to FPO, has been opened.
Yeah, but
वहाँ से एक बार
FPO much time, like 25 days to 30 days. I already sent to FPO, but it's sometimes customer have very urgent.
हरदीप जी वो ठीक है, टाइम अभी थोड़ा सा इसलिए लग रहा है बिकॉज अभी तो इट्स अ चोक सिचुएशन till 10th of December it will not get released. Postal channels are already choked. So in US also, USPS is working on like 400 tons at their main base, which is JFK. So per day, which they used to work at 50 tons every day. So वो अभी थोड़ा सा issue है due to this festive season rush, but post that it will ease out.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Aditya.
Yes, Aditya.
We are actually a member in India, but we have a satellite office in Europe, in Belgium. So we can still avail the JJPC. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Aditya ji, please continue.
Yeah, so we can still avail the facility which is provided to JJEPC. Like we are member in India, but we have a satellite office in Europe, in Belgium.
Yes, sir, you can get the benefit of JJPC member on eBay.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Rishabh.
Earlier I had a Payoneer account through which I was receiving USD payments, but recently they suspended it and they are saying that for selling precious jewelry, I cannot get payments via Payoneer. So is this being addressed?
Yeah. All of our fine jewelry sellers are currently getting payment through Payoneer for their fine jewelry.
Okay, because my account was suspended because of that.
You might be directly selling without any platform.
I was selling through Amazon.
ऐसा होना तो नहीं चाहिए, but talk to Payoneer. There isn't any issue.
Okay, I've tried this already, but I haven't had any resolution. So just wanted to ask.
Don't worry. Whenever you wanted to start with eBay, so we will talk to them.
Okay, thank you.
Can I ask a question? Hello.
Yes, please, Abhijit ji.
From where you will ship from Mumbai under BKC, Bandra Kurla complex?
Yes.
But I heard from Melka Amit that BKC is not giving the permission under e-commerce. Is it true? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm asking you.
No, currently our existing sellers are selling and they are shipping out through BKC only. So you needed to have your custom account over there, registered custom account. So that recently they introduced in last 3 to 4 months after second wave of COVID, that if you are having your custom account at BKC, then only you can ship. So that is an easy process. You can do that.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Nimish.
Yes. मैं ये कह रहा था कि एक तो ये पायनियर अकाउंट के अलावा वहाँ पे क्या ऑप्शन है गेटवे का?
Currently in India, to receive payment only Payoneer is there.
Okay. Not for India, US, UK.
Mostly it's Payoneer.
Mostly Spain.
Yes.
Okay. And any other options?
Not currently available.
Not currently yet. Okay. And one more thing. कि अगर मैं स्टोर ओपन करना चाह रहा हूँ तो उसके लिए मेरे को किससे गाइडेंस मिल सकती है, मतलब प्रॉपर्ली वन बाय वन?
सर, अब जैसे ही वो लिंक जो नितिन जी ने शेयर किया है उसके थ्रू ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास विद इन नेक्स्ट 48 आवर्स कॉल आ जाएगी.
ठीक है. एंड कुछ इसमें एडवर्टाइजिंग चार्जेस वगैरह भी क्या है?
सर अभी कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट चार्जेस नहीं है. फर्स्टली यू ओनली नीड टू सेट अप योर स्टोर, पुट योर आइटम्स ओवर देयर, एंड once you start getting these sales, then we will talk more about that what all advertisement or marketing activities are available. But on USA there are very limited. वो हम internally आपको बताएंगे, जैसे मैंने बताया कि वहां पर हम डिस्काउंट कैसे शो कर सकते हैं. वहां पर हम बायर्स को ये कैसे भेज सकते हैं कि आपने एक प्रोडक्ट मेरे से खरीद लिया है, अगर अगले एक मंथ में आप एक और प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हो तो एडिशनल यू विल गेट 10% डिस्काउंट. दिस इज अ कूपन कोड. All those activities you can do from your store.
Okay, so you have also support team?
Yes.
Okay, because Amazon की कोई support team वगैरह नहीं है, like
हमारी भी इतना नहीं है, but yeah, only for the GJPC members, yes, we do have a dedicated support.
Okay, I have already used the members.
Yes, you will get all this.
Okay, so that's why I asked.
Thanks.
ये जो सारे बेनिफिट्स मिल रहे हैं जीजेपे के मेंबर्स को, मतलब कुछ आपने बोला नितिन जी ने एक लिंक शेयर किया, मींस आई कैन नॉट सी दैट लिंक. कैन यू शेयर दैट लिंक? और ये क्या
लिंक इज इन द चैट. दैट लिंक इज इन द चैट. इट इज अ गूगल फॉर्म. प्लीज क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक.
Okay.
And fill it up. It's a 2-3 questions, yes, no, and giving your number and name.
Okay.
And whether you are interested or not. So give that details, you will get a call back.
Okay, got it.
I think no more questions. So
can you send me what जो भी आपने पीपीटी शो करा था वो आप ग्राफ सेंड कर सकते हैं मेरे को
Nimishi, this whole recording will be uploaded on the council's YouTube channel. You can get it from there. You can access it there.
So can you share your link?
Just go to YouTube, search for GJPC India. Within next 2 days, you will get the recording there.
Okay. Thank you.
So I think now we are.
I have a question that how will you ship from any port through filing shipping bill, or do you have any other way to ship this product?
Yes, there is a filing of shipping bill. So postal bill of export, courier shipping bill, or a normal shipping bill through ICA. So those are the process. We will let you know. So become a member of council and then connect with your Eastern Regional Office, Mr. Kaushik Ghosh. He will guide you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. So yes, are we
Nitin
having
ji?
more questions? Yes, Ashok ji.
सर गुमान इम्पैक्ट से बोल रहा था मैं।
बोले
जी सर, हमारा क्या अकाउंट था पहले से ईबे के अंदर 3-4 साल पहले, उसके बाद में जैसे कि हमने सेलिंग बंद कर दी ईबे के अंदर, और अब दोबारा से जैसे शुरू कर रहे हैं तो हम लिस्टिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हैं इसके अंदर।
सर आपको उसका नया अकाउंट ही खोलना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज 3-4 साल पहले देयर वाज अ डिस्ट्रप्शन ड्यू टू जीजेपीसी एंड दैट इज व्हाई जस्ट ओपन द न्यू अकाउंट, और आपको जो भी प्रोसेस वहां पर दिखाएगा, just open the account as per that process, keep your IC, GSTN and Payoneer account ready, then you will be able to.
नहीं सर, वो मैंने कर लिया है, दोबारा जैसे प्रोसेस जो होता है वो भी मैंने कर लिया, पेयोनियर अकाउंट वगैरह सब उसके अंदर जोड़ दे देंगे, उसका कोई अभी वो रिप्लाई नहीं है।
सर ये सब आपने किसी लिंक के थ्रू किया था अशोक जी?
नहीं सर, मैंने ये सेल ग्लोबली जो eBay.in
ग्लोबल वही लिंक के थ्रू किया था ना?
हाँ।
Okay, I need to check कि आपकी query कहाँ पर गई है. As I stated earlier, also it's difficult for even eBay to provide BDs to each and every member. So there might be a issue कि वहाँ पर आपका delay होगा.
Just to add Ashokji on this, as you can also write to GJPC for this, and they can send us the details, and we can contact you in another 48 hours.
अशोक जी, मुझे आप बता दीजिएगा या अजय को बता दीजिएगा, we will let you know. हम बता देंगे आपको क्या इशू है और कैसे सॉल्व हो सकता है।
तो सर क्या करना पड़ेगा मेरे को अब?
आप काउंसिल में संपर्क कर लीजिएगा, आपकी जो डिटेल्स हैं वो बता दीजिएगा, उसके बेसिस पे ईबे से बात करके आपका प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कराया जाएगा।
अच्छा, तो मैं आपसे मिल सकता हूँ यहाँ पे काउंसिल के अंदर? ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, so as we are not having any more questions, so if ED sir is there, so we request for his closing remarks, and post that we will take closing remarks from one of our committee member, Mr. Adil, if he is available. So ED sir, are you there? If we can, hello.
No, I think Sabyasachi sir is not available.
Okay, so if Adil sir is there, maybe we can have his closing remarks. Adil sir. I think Adil sir has also left. So let us close this. Yes, e-commerce is an opportunity, and thank you Haneek ji and Saurabh ji for explaining everything. All the members here, thank you for them to joining this webinar, and we expect that you will be coming on this platform and take this opportunity of e-commerce, which will definitely be not a replacement of the B2B model, but yes, it will substitute some of the business which is happening through B2B model, and in next some years we will see more dominance of this marketplace e-commerce model in our exports business, and this will be the only way which can help us and take all our districts, all our cities, all our towns to the export league, and this will help our manufacturers, artisans and everybody to go online and connect with the global consumers. So on this note, those who all are interested or those who want some further more information, they can go back to the council and connect with us. we will definitely come back to them with all their queries, and we are there to help you out in starting this e-commerce journey. Thank you, eBay team, and thank you all.
Thank you very much. Thanks everyone
you
for
very
joining and
Thank you.